Still on that story, the Southeast Senate caucus on Sunday expressed shock and sorrow over the multiple deaths caused by the falling petrol tanker in Ugonyama in Enugu State. The caucus, which also expressed sadness over similar occurrence in Niger State last weekend, said through a statement by its leader, Senator Ainaya Baribe, on Sunday in Abuja, that the unfortunate incident has become one too many. They said it is disheartening that Nigerians were being literally roasted on the road as a result of avoidable accident and called the relevant authorities to deploy immediately to nip future occurrences in the bud. The caucus, he added, is pained that innocent people, particularly road users, are not frequently caught up in an accident that marks a total neglect of the nation's highway by traffic managers. However, he extended the caucus's condolences to the victims' families, the governor, government, and people of Enugu State.